If your Vax carpet washer has stopped working, it's blowing fuses or tripping electrics, you're not alone. I see this all the time, and today I'm going to show you what's causing it, how to prevent it, and also if anything can be done about it. So what's the cause of this common problem? Well, underneath the detergent tank on your Vax, you'll notice this valve. These valves leak, but you wouldn't know it was leaking. What happens is the water slowly trickles down inside, down this bit, and then it slowly goes down the spine of the vacuum, again inside, totally out of sight, and the next stop is your motor. So guess what? Next time you come to use it, you get a pop, a bang, or sometimes absolutely nothing. So how do we try and prevent this from happening? Well, the big rule, as displayed on your Vax in not very big writing, is to always make sure that you empty your tanks before you put it away into storage. And some of us do, and that's the issue. This thing can be happening while we're using it, and we just wouldn't know about it. It doesn't just happen to old machines either. I get customers ringing me, I've only used it 3 or 4 times. Well, by the very nature of this product, you only get it out every so often. So if you're putting it away in the cupboard and it's killing itself, well, before you know it, your 12-month warranty with Vax will be over. Now, before we go on to looking if we can fix this problem, there's going to be some of you that are thinking, power loss, that could be the cable, or it could also be the switch. And you wouldn't be wrong. But the thing is, these cables are pretty damn good, and you don't use your machine that often. Also, the switches are on par with any other brand like Dyson. They can be turned on and off thousands and thousands and thousands of times. Trust me, this water issue leaking into the motor from that valve is not something I've made up. I see it hundreds of times a year. So how do we fix this problem? Well, you could buy a brand new motor, but Vax don't sell them. You could go onto eBay and buy a used motor, but like I learned a long time ago, you put your used motor back into one of these things, your valve is still leaking into your motor, and the same thing happens again. These things are made to be thrown away. If your 12-month warranty is over, you cannot do anything about it. If, however, you are still in your 12-month warranty, ring Vax ASAP and they will sort you out. After that 12 months though, like I've just said, nobody is interested. Thank you for watching, and YouTube has chosen this next video for you. Also, a quick mention, my wonderful wife has just released her first ever murder mystery novel, and we would be delighted if you would go to her website, jadegrafton.com, to receive your free sample.